Hello students, how are you all? Now, today we will again start from EVS book of class 2. I believe that you have done chapter 6 and 7 in your book and notebook. In chapter 6, you have done all exercise in your book and B and E in your notebook. And chapter 7, you have done all exercise in your book and B and D in your notebook and might have learned it. Now, today I will teach you two chapters together as they are related. They are correlated. Okay, chapter 8, houses we live in, and chapter 9, clothes we wear. Understand? Okay. Chapter 8, houses we live in. Okay, houses we live. We need a house to live in. It protects us from heat, cold, wind and rain. Our houses make us feel safe. It also protects us from wild animals, thieves and robbers. It gives us comfort and keep our belongings safe. Understand? Types of houses. Types of houses. There are many types of houses. Some are big, some are small, some are according to the climate condition or according to the likes of people who live in. Okay. So some people live in permanent house. Permanent house are the house that cannot be moved from one place to another place. Understand? Some people keep moving from place to place, so they make temporary houses to live in. Some example of permanent house are single story houses, double story houses, multi-story houses and bungalow. Okay, so these are some example of permanent houses. Okay. Some examples of temporary houses. So example of temporary houses are a hut, tents. Okay, a hut, tent, a canvas, a houseboat, an igloo, and slit houses. Okay, so these are the example of temporary houses. Okay, first is hut. A hut, it is made out of mud with attached roof. Okay. Tents, tent is made, this is tent, so tent is made of conveyance. It is easy to carry and put up. Okay. Conveyance. A conveyance is a house on wheel. Okay, a conveyance. Okay, a conveyance is a house on wheel. Understand? Houseboat. Okay, this is houseboat. So houseboat is a floating house made of wood. Okay. Igloo. In snow area, as Eskimos make houses with blocks of snow. Okay, so this is an igloo. Understand, children? Okay. Slit houses. Slit houses placed with heavy rainfall have houses made above the level of the ground. Okay. Understand? So still houses placed with heavy rainfall have houses made above the level of the ground. Okay. Material used in different type of houses. Okay. So material used in different types of houses. Okay. These are material. Bricks, cement, steel, tiles, stone are used to build pakka house in which we live in, and wood and glasses are used to make doors and windows. Understand, children? And kacha house are made out of mud, bamboo, straw, and dry leaves. Okay? Care of houses. Care of houses. We should always take care of our things. Our houses protect us from heat, cold, rain, animals, etc. So we should always take care of it. Any small damage should be quickly repaired so it does not turn into big problem. We should always be careful while using household things and should use them properly. Okay, cleanness of houses. Cleanness of houses. We all know cleanness of self and surrounding is very important. It is the duty of all the member of the houses to keep it clean. Even young children like you should help. Understand? Ways to clean. Ways to clean. Put things at proper place. Throw rubbish into the dustbin. Toilet should be wiped and dried. Room should be cleaned daily. Curtain and bed cover should be washed regularly. Okay. Ventilation, sunlight in houses. You must have absorbed that house have many windows and doors. Windows and doors are very important for every room. A house which has free flow of air and receives sunlight is good for the health of people living in it. It is necessary that all windows and doors have wire nettings as it helps to keep mosquitoes away. Decoration of houses. Okay, decoration of houses. We decorate our houses. Rangoli, decoration with flowers, decoration with lights. Okay, so as we like to look good, so should our home be. People decorated their houses with beautiful painting, flowers, show pieces, etc. We can decorate houses with rangoli or hanging near entrance. Okay, so I hope you understand chapter 8. Okay, now come to the chapter 9. Clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. We all wear different types of clothes. We wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and insects. Okay, so clothes are made out of plant, animals, and artificial or man-made fibers. Okay, so these are the clothing materials. Okay, materials of clothes: plants, animal, man-made fibers. Okay, plants, cotton, flax, rubber; animal, wool, silk, leather; and man-made fibers, nylon, uh, polyester, and plastics. Okay, so plants, we get cotton, flax, and rubber. Okay, and from animal we get wool, silk, and leather. And from man-made fiber, nylon, polyester, and plastics. Okay, okay. Cotton plants give us cotton. In textiles mills, cotton is cleaned and spun into thread called yarn. Yarn is woven into clothes. Cloth is used to make clothes. Okay, so this is the plant of cotton. This is cotton. Okay, this is thread and okay, make the cotton cloth. Okay, now wool. Wool is thick and soft hair of sheep. Okay. Wool is wool is sheared, cleaned, and washed. When wool becomes soft, it is spun and woven into cloth in woolen mills. Woolen yarn or cloth is used to make woolen clothes. Okay, this is woolen clothes. Silk. Silkworm give us silk. Silk fibers. Silk fibers are dyed in beautiful colors and uh, woven into woven into clothes. Silk is used to make silk cloths. Okay, so these are silkworm. Okay, silk yarn and silk sari. Understand? Man-made synthetic fiber. Okay, man-made synthetic fiber. They are strong and long lasting. They are used for making clothes. Different man-made fiber are also used for making carpets, curtains, etc. Okay. Season and clothing. Okay. Season and clothing. We wear clothes according to the season. Okay. Summer. In summer, we prepare to wear light colored cotton clothes as uh, uh, it has porous and which is allowed. Okay, which is allowed and which allow air to pass. Understand, children? In winter, we prepare to wear dark colored woolen clothes as they keep us warm. Understand? Monsoon, rainy season. We wear clothes that can protect us from getting wet in the rain. We use umbrella, gumboot, raincoat, etc. Understand? Care of clothes. Okay. We must take a proper care of our clothes. Clothes last longer and created properly. Washing and ironing the clothes regularly maintain them. Clothes of different materials have to be handled differently. Cotton clothes are washed using a detergent and water. Washing remove dirt and impurities. Silk clothes are washed using a mild detergent. After washing, they are direct and dirts and dried in the shade. It is it is advisable to dry clean them. Understand? Woolen clothes can be washed using the mild liquid soap, but it is better to get them dry cleaned. Clothes made of synthetic fiber are washed using a detergent. It is easy to wash them. Okay, white cotton clothes should be dried in the sun. Direct sun rays kill them, germs if any. To avoid fading, colored clothes should be dried in the shade. Properly ironed clothes should be kept in cupboard. Okay, naphthalene balls or moth balls should be kept along with woolen and silk clothes to save them from insects. Clean and iron clothes make us look smart. Okay, students, I hope you understand chapter 8 chapter 8 houses we live in and chapter 9 clothes we wear. Understand? And read it again. Read this chapter. Okay. Thank you.